Saturday, September 23rd is your opportunity to own prime Texas acreage at wholesale prices. Never before offered 2 to 4 acre lake estates from only $79.9. Come see why this is the best wholesale land value in the state of Texas. Saturday, September 23rd, own a rare 8+ acre direct dockable property with over 545 feet of shoreline for only $199.9. Less than an hour from Dallas and only 2 hours from Houston. These properties are serviced by paved roads and utilities. Buy now, choose your builder, and build when you're ready. Located in a mecca for outdoor activities, including some of the best fishing in Texas. Perfect for second home, retirement, or full-time lake living. Plus, no HOA. That's right, no HOA. Buy directly from the developer and save thousands on September 23rd. Call 765-LAKE now or online at txlakefront.com.